Everyone thinks viral short videos are about luck. Wrong sound? Dead video? Wrong time? Invisible video? Wrong caption? 0 views. But here's the mystery that almost nobody talks about. Why do thousands of low-quality, faceless, low-effort short videos explode in 2026? While high-quality videos from talented creators die silently? If virality was random, this wouldn't keep happening. If talent was enough, creators wouldn't be quitting every day, yet the same pattern keeps repeating. Today, we're not just talking about how to upload viral short videos in 2026. We're uncovering why the system rewards some uploads and quietly buries others, and how creators who understand this invisible system are gaining subscribers every single day without luck, ads, or big budgets. The answer is uncomfortable, and most platforms won't admit it. Setting the stage, the background system, teasing the twist. To understand viral shorts in 2026, we need to go backwards. Short-form video didn't start as entertainment. It started as a retention experiment. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, they weren't built to make creators famous. They were built to keep users scrolling longer than ever before. Behind every short video feed is a financial system driven by one thing: attention minutes equals money. Advertisers don't pay for views, they pay for time. And in the early days, platforms pushed almost everything. Growth felt easy. Creators thought, I cracked the algorithm. But then something changed. As billions of videos flooded the system, platforms stopped asking, is this video good? They started asking, does this video keep the viewer from leaving? That shift quietly changed everything, and most creators never noticed. Origins: how viral shorts actually worked, cause and effect. In the beginning, uploading shorts was simple. Post frequently. Use trending sounds. Add hashtags. Pray. Some videos popped off. Most didn't. But platforms learned something critical from user behavior. People don't decide in 30 seconds whether to keep watching. They decide in 0.8 to 1.2 seconds. So the algorithm evolved. Instead of promoting based on likes, comments, shares, it started prioritizing first frame retention, loop completion. Micro pauses, rewatches. This is where virality truly began. Shorts that caused confusion, curiosity, or shock in the first second didn't just perform better. They triggered algorithm testing loops. The system would show the video to 100 people, then 1,000, then 10,000, only if the retention curve stayed unnaturally high. This wasn't luck, it was math. The rise. The golden age of viral shorts. By 2024 to 2025, creators who understood this system exploded. They didn't educate clearly, tell full stories, explain everything. They did something smarter. They withheld answers. They started videos with, nobody tells you this will sound fake, but if you're uploading shorts, stop scrolling. These creators weren't better storytellers. They were better attention engineers. And their channels grew fast. Some gained 10,000 subscribers in weeks. Millions of views without showing their face, monetization before ever posting long videos, but success attracted saturation. Everyone copied the formula. And that's when the breaking point arrived. The breaking point. Why most shorts stopped working. By 2026, platforms face a crisis. There are more videos than viewers. This creates a brutal truth. Most videos must fail by design. So the algorithm became ruthless. In 2026, 70 to 90% of shorts never pass the first test batch. Most videos die under 500 views. Quality doesn't matter if retention collapses early. Here's the key problem creators face now. They upload like it's 2023. But the algorithm evaluates like it's 2026. Posting more no longer guarantees growth. Using trends no longer saves weak hooks. Hashtags barely matter. The algorithm now asks one brutal question. Does this video stop the scroll better than everything else right now? If not, it's buried. Fallout. What happened to most creators? This shift caused massive fallout. Creators experienced sudden view drops, inconsistent performance, shadow ban myths, burnout, and confusion. Many blamed the platform timing luck, but the real issue was structural. Creators focused on what they wanted to say instead of what the viewer needed to feel. In the first second, short form stopped being about content. It became about psychological triggers. And creators who didn't adapt were silently filtered out. Failed fixes. What doesn't work in 2026? Let's expose the myths. Uploading 10 shorts a day. Copy-pasting viral formats blindly. over-editing visuals, adding more hashtags, chasing every trend. These tactics worked when platforms needed creators. Now platforms need performance. The algorithm doesn't reward effort. It rewards viewer behavior. That's the uncomfortable truth. Modern parallels and shocking patterns, 2026 data behavior. Here's what successful shorts in 2026 consistently show. Over 80% retention in the first 2 seconds, viewers rewatching without realizing it, videos ending mid-thought to force loops. One clear emotion per video: curiosity, fear, shock, desire. The pattern mirrors clickbait headlines and early news media. Netflix episode cliffhangers, casino slot machine psychology, different era, same system, attention is currency. And viral shorts are the new financial instruments. How to upload viral short videos in 2026. The real process. Here's the cause and effect formula that works now. Start with disruption. Break the expected pattern visually or verbally in the first second. Delay the answer, never explain immediately. Curiosity fuels retention. Design for looping end where the beginning makes sense again. Upload consistently, not excessively. Let the algorithm learn your audience. Test hooks, not topics, one idea, multiple openings. Uploading is no longer publishing, it's experimentation. 3 clear takeaways. Takeaway number 1. Viral shorts are not about creativity, they're about controlled curiosity. Takeaway number 2. The algorithm doesn't judge your video. The viewer does, and the algorithm only listens to them. Takeaway number 3. Creators who design for retention will always be creators who design for information. Final warning and open-ended thought. Here's the warning nobody talks about. As platforms optimize for attention, authentic storytelling becomes harder but more valuable. Creators who master both psychology and purpose will dominate the next wave. The question is no longer, can you go viral? The real question is, what kind of creator do you become once you can? Call to action, natural and non-pushy. If this video changed how you see short-form content, subscribe not for hacks, but for understanding the system behind them. Because in 2026, creators who understand the rules don't chase virality. They design it. And the next viral short might be yours.